change. The bronze medal is assured for Mary Kom, but she can gun for that gold medal and equal perhaps Abhinav Bindra.
Absolutely, I'm very hopeful for her, and I saw her match today. I think she was very determined on not only a bronze medal or a medal to say, but a gold medal.
Right.
She knew that she has to strive for that gold medal, and I'm definitely very hopeful.
Absolutely. Other than Mary Kom, the shooters have also performed in this Olympics, and as Rajni was mentioning, that this is the second medal for India as far as women team is concerned, and how much of an improvement, how much of a boost is this is for young budding female players?
Fabulous boost getting, because earlier it used to be only men or the hockey team men winning all the time, and attention was going there. Right. But now when you see Saina Nehwal winning it and you see Mary Kom doing so well, I think a lot of hope for women, and I see a lot of girls having faith in that. I think it'll do good for all the ladies, all the girls coming up.
You want to add to that?
Yeah, let me tell you something. Has been fantastic from the Indian.
Mary. Now let's shift focus to Vijender Singh. Yes, Vijender is going to take Abbas Atoev of Uzbekistan in the quarterfinals at the Olympics. The star Indian boxer inched closer to an unprecedented second successive customer had defeated Atoev in the Asian Games to win a gold there, so he has a psychological edge over his opponent. The star of Indian boxing, Rocky Balboa. There are so many factor of Indian boxing. 2 o'clock is going to start.
2:30.
2:30 is a quarterfinal bout is going to. I will stay awake and watch his bout. What are your expectations? Another Olympic medal.
Look, let me tell you something about this Atoev character.
Yeah.
This person has been an excellent boxer, but if you look at his graph, ever since he started, from 2009, there's a downslide.
Right.
And and he lost to Vijender the last time he played.
Comprehensively.
Yes, I would like to tell your viewers and our viewers that Olympics, Atoev had a fight with a Romanian. That Romanian boxer was doing very well. And what happened was that in the first round, Atoev played better, but from the second round, he was so sluggish. The Romanian boxer was doing so well that they were all surprised that how did this win? Because they were all predicting that Romanian will. I remember the commentators saying that it is disgusting, this kind of a judgment. Now, as you know, the boxing decisions have all been questioned because of the lack of transparency as it is now in the news. The second feet of Atoev moving the way it should move when you're going for it. And also, so I think it is a lucky sign for Vijender. Lady Luck has always been on his side. Yeah. So it's been a lucky sign for him, and I feel that this bout should not be so difficult.
Yeah, we have two ladies. Rajni, आपको क्या लगता है?
लेकिन एक खेल प्रेमी होने के नाते मैं ग्लैम फैक्टर को थोड़ा सा दरकिनार करूंगी, उनके खेल पर ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहूंगी।
बिल्कुल। और अगर उन्होंने भी ध्यान दिया होता तो आज हम लोग ज्यादा मजबूती से कहते कि आगे।
बिल्कुल, उसी मजबूती की मैं बात करना चाहूंगी। अगर पिछले मैच की बात करें तो उनका गेम कहा जा सकता है, लेकिन बहुत ही कम अंतर से हारे हैं, तो ऐसे में क्या मुकाबला मुश्किल हो सकता है?
देखिए, मैं वही बता रहा था आपको कि हालांकि उन्होंने थोड़े दिनों पहले ही हराया है, लेकिन Atoev में भी मुझे कोई वो स्पार्क दिखाई नहीं दे रही जिसको देख के ऐसा लगे कि विजेंदर पे वो भारी पड़ जाएंगे जल्दी। ऐसा नहीं होगा, मुकाबला कांटे का होगा। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उनका भी फर्क अगर कहें तो 20 विजेंदर है और 19 Atoev है, तो विजेंदर को यहाँ पर परेशानी होनी नहीं चाहिए।
Vijender Singh discussion?
Yeah, I would like to say something. The last match, which was on the occasion, I think he was very confident, because I remember when they were about to disclose his results at the end of the competition, before the referee raised his hand, he had a nice smirk on his face and he knew he had won it. Even if it was just by a very little margin, he knew he had made it to the quarterfinals.
Absolutely.
he's done well over the international competitions. I remember reading the headlines during the Commonwealth Shooting Championship,
Right.
where it said Rajput outshines Gagan because he had taken the gold there in 50 meter. But well, they all have worked really hard for it. I know that our federation is very supportive. Our president is there supporting them at any spirit that he possibly can. I think he's had a bad day. Everybody did not prepare so well.
Right.
Everybody did their best.
Right.
So if it did not come out, maybe there's always a next time.
जैसे अगर आज के इवेंट्स की बात करें, खासकर क्ले इवेंट्स की, तो क्ले शूटर्स थे, उनका प्रदर्शन उतना अच्छा नहीं रहा है.
जी, वो आपने बिल्कुल सही कही है. बट ऑफ कोर्स मानवजीत सिंह संधू से मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा उम्मीद थी बिकॉज स्पोर्ट्स से हैं. लेकिन जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, तैयारी की थी. ये मुझे पता है क्योंकि मैंने उनके पास रह के बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स खेले हैं. खासकर जब हम दोहा में थे, वो फोकस थे और तभी उन्होंने गोल्ड जीता था अपने ओलंपिक का कोटा. वेल, आई डोंट नो, आई विश आई वुड हैव बीन देयर इन what happened. I knew he was unbeatable. I knew when he went there, he was unbeatable.
Exactly. Shreyasi was talking in the last program to Malay, if you remember, that she had out, in fact, not even qualifying. Was a big disappointment coming in Ranjan Singh Sodhi's non-performance.
That's right. It was a bit disappointing, but look, what Shreyasi is saying is absolutely right. In this sport, which is shooting, you know, how you perform
up in the highlight. You know, I think he's somebody who never gets complacent. Like, you know, after he won, you could tell that it's not over yet. Maybe he'll be there in the next Olympics also, and maybe he'll be breaking his own record of 9.63.
Yeah.
So you never know.
We are still waiting for that 9.37 coveted mark that Ben Johnson had said, albeit that was controversial. But Usain Bolt can be the one who can
do it without drugs.
Yeah, truly. Well, Malay and Shreyasi, you came to the studios and shared your experiences here. Many thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
पदक तालिका का ओलंपिक में अब तक पदक तालिका में अभी चीन की संख्या 31 है और पीछा करते हुए चीन का है अमेरिका कुल 61 पदकों के साथ दूसरी पोजीशन पर बना हुआ है और तीसरी पायदान की अगर बात करें तो मेजबान ब्रिटेन जो है वो तीसरी